So a little bit of off-road. It's already going backward. Press the brake. So Opel Corsa, it's automatic. It's in A mode, which is here on the left. That's the automatic, that is the going forward. We are 3 in this car and we are going uphill. It's in automatic. I'm pressing the accelerator and let's see what will happen if I don't press it. So the car is in drive and it rolls backward. That's one thing. The engine doesn't stop. Now I have to brake it to stop it. So although the engine is in drive, the engine is still running. So it's not stopping. That's one good point. Now I'm accelerating it. So with this semi-automatic transmission, you can go off-road, the engine will not stop. Okay, so let's go forward. By the way, we have summer tires. Summer tires have longitudinal cuts, not in the opposite direction, which would grab better. Okay, and ground clearance is not high. I'm barely touching the accelerator. So the RPM is low, just 1000. Okay, now I have to press it a little bit more. It's pulling nicely, it's even accelerating too much. So this is a decent off-road vehicle. Where's the road? Is there on the right side. So the engine is not stopping even if the car is going backward and the car was in drive. And although the ground clearance is not high, let's see this climb also. Now I will let the accelerator. Of course the car is going back. I'm holding it with the brake a little bit. Now let's see, will it climb from standing still? I have to hold the brake using my left leg and then press the accelerator. So brake is on the left and now I'm pressing that also, and then release that. So, and it's going up. The engine RPM is low. I'm barely pressing the accelerator. So this is a decent off-road car. The weight is low. Okay, Opel Corsa is a good off-road vehicle. Automatic, that helps because the engine doesn't stop. So that's a lightweight car. Front tires have more grip. They are pretty deep also. The rear have less grip because they have longitudinal cuts. Those are very small. So these are necessary for climbing